Hi guys, currently Protima team is in Jakarta in Indonesia providing training and installation of our machines at Jeeves. As you may see, London's finest dry cleaners operating here in Jakarta, and this company bought a set of professional rug cleaning machines from our company, and we'd like to ask several questions regarding their feelings, to share their thoughts about the Protima machines, about the quality, about the process of purchasing, delivery, further installation and training. Just it's very important for us to understand what the customer feels afterwards. So, if it's possible, please even present yourself and your company in a few words for us to proceed.
Yeah. Hi everyone. My name is Iwan Winanda. I'm a director of Jeeves Indonesia, and the company has been the franchise from Jeeves London since 1996. So it's been 27 years in Jakarta. We are a luxurious dry cleaners, and our customers are mostly to the premium customers. We are providing premium services to our customers.
Okay, great. And please share your feelings and your impressions from the beginning, like from the moment the machines were purchased and delivered. I don't know if you participated in the whole process from the very beginning, like purchasing and arranging the shipment. It was arranged also from our side. We've delivered the machine using FedEx company.
Yeah.
But anyway, it is important for us to know how it was from this side, because we know how it was from our side in Poland, and how it was here. Was it okay, smooth, or you had some problems? And delivery and afterwards, was it prepared from your side? Did you get all the necessary schemes, how to connect the machines, where to put them, some drawers, layouts, or whatever?
Yeah, I think I was in the loop for the whole process. What kind of carpet machine or rug machine that we are going to install to have in our facilities, because now we are actually building the facilities, but also we are going to have a state-of-the-art rug machine. So after selections of some brands, and we learned about each brand, and we chose Protima because we heard about the reputations, and that's why we then we decided to purchase the set of machines. As the process went on, and I think the whole process from starting when we purchased, we arranged all the administrations, the communications through emails and other media. It's quite prompt, and I think what's so helpful is when the Protima on your side provided us with the layout and the type of machines that coming into our new facilities, and also the specifications, what kind of the electricity type, what needs to be done before the arrival of the whole set of machines. And it took about maybe 2 months when we arranged that, and then as it arrived here, I was here personally, and I saw how it was unloaded from the container from the 18-wheel trucks, and I saw how stringent your process of putting the whole machines into something that so intact. It didn't move anywhere. There is no dent, there is no any loose or break. So I was so impressed with that, and we checked. I think when we were unloading, we took some pictures, and then this is all the machines that we are going to have. And then we just put it in the new facilities. At that time, we haven't finished it, the whole process, the whole facilities. And as we are waiting for the finishing, we are also communicating what needs to be done. And then we are waiting the Protima team to visit us, to help us install the machines. At the same time, also to train our people, not only how to operate the set of machines, the new machines, but also how to do the maintenance, the cleaning. So that is, I mean, that is wonderful. So the moment when you arrived, Taras and Michael and Adrian, I was so impressed how detailed you paid to the attentions, how we had to do preparations before we really operate the machines, each of the machines.
Okay, thank you. I have a question regarding the training and installation process. Do you think, was it helpful? Would you be able to make the installation by yourself? And how do you think, was it helpful for your staff to be trained by our company and by our people? And our visit here to, was it helpful? You mean right now you are more prepared to start the business, or it would be quite easily for you to start straight away without this knowledge we've shared?
I think when you were here for 3 days and helping us with the installations, it is pretty much straightforward installations, and the training actually is pretty straightforward. It's very easy to operate. It's not really that. I mean, our staff needs to get used to it, to adjust with. Usually we do it in manual, and now we do with the sophisticated machine. So, but it's not that complicated. It's very easy to operate. So 2 days, 3 days, they already know about how to do step by step how to operate each machines. And as I've seen it for the past 3 days, how our staff have been acquiring new skills how to do each of the machines to operate.
Okay, thank you. And just maybe some words, some feelings about the whole idea of this kind of business. How do you think it's going to be good here? How fast all these services can be implemented in your main business? And just what do you think? Your expectations?
Well, we would like to do it to make it the carpet business growing, and in Jakarta especially, because we have all those machines and the investment is reasonable, and we would like to offer it to our existing customers and new customers, how our machines will help them to clean their carpets. Of course, it does need a while, our team to get used to it more, to practice it more, maybe another 3-4 days, and then after that we have to start with selling the services to our customers. That's what we expect. We don't want to waste time to wait until we are so good with it, but I know it's a learning process. There are feedbacks that you have given to us what not to do during the training. So that's perfect. I mean, thank you for the Protima team, to you, Taras, to Michael and Adrian. Thank you. Your training has been a big help for us.
Great, thank you. Just the last question. If you could describe your cooperation and your feeling about cooperating with working with Protima company, just describe it in 3 words, please. What it would be?
It's mutual, and I think you have provided insight for us how to run the carpet business.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dad.
We wish you good
Thank
luck.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.